Hey everybody, welcome back for another car wash review. Today I am in St. Catharines, Ontario, and something crazy has been going on. If you can see this lady's vehicle, she's covered in soap on the front of her vehicle. She was in the wash and then all of a sudden stopped and put it in reverse and backed out of it. And she was originally trying to back out completely, and then she couldn't make it. Her tires were spinning in that, and now she's talking to somebody on the PA. I don't know if she didn't realize that this is like a track that was gonna pull her through, or if she thought she was just gonna drive through on her own. I have no idea. All the brushes, everything is working inside here and going. And I hope this wash, oh, here comes an attendant person, because I just bought a wash here. I just finished over at the Easy car wash in Stony Creek. I just finished that video, and I had to come to St. Catharines for an appointment. I saw this wash, so I thought, oh, I'll check it out. And I don't know what's going on. And then there's a couple people even behind. There's a truck here, and then there's a car behind. I just pulled off to the side because I didn't want to be in the way. I didn't know if she was going to be stuck or if this wash is going to be... He's now inside. Oh, something was laying on the ground on the track or something. Let's see if he brings it out. I just saw him pick something up. And there might have been a pickup truck that went through. Well, actually, maybe this truck. And with the dryers or something, maybe something went flying out of the back in the way, and she hit it pulling through. Who knows? But anyways, so I'm not going to get out and show you the truck, because you just seen it on my last video. And so if you haven't seen it, go back and watch the Easy car wash in Stony Creek. So the van is quite clean. Yeah, so I guess I'll go around and get in line. The tenant gave it the thumbs up, and it's good to go. So never a dull moment, that's for sure. So yeah, this is right on the corner of Bunting Road and Welland Road. Oh, now this guy's coming. The attendant is coming back out. If this is boring, by all means skip ahead, but I'm just curious to see what's going to happen here. I don't want to be not recording if you don't want to miss anything good. Yeah, I saw him pick something up. It looked like a big bin, like a plastic bin. So I think when she was being pulled through, she was kind of pushing it with the front of her car, and she might have just panicked and stopped and threw it in reverse. That's the only thing I can think of. Well, everything seems to be working good. Okay, so I'm getting up there. This is has the LED light, that kind of the lava style soap and that. So I know this This car wash station's been here for a while, so they must have upgraded it. The car wash, now I got gas. But with a gas purchase, it was $14.99 plus tax. And you get the little scan card. There's the address. If I can focus. Yeah. Oh, doesn't look like he got the top wash. He didn't get the lava coming down on it, so. They got the mirror to guide you in. Throw it in neutral. And then we just scan on that little scanner right here. You can see the LED lights. Smells like bubble gum. Go. It's one thing about Petro Canada car washes. I don't think I've ever been to one where you didn't get like really good coverage in that. Like the amount of soap and stuff that gets put on your vehicle is quite generous. So we'll get out and have a look. Just waiting for this guy to get out. Make sure I'm not in his way. All right. So yeah. I mean, the van was clean before. I just want to make sure it didn't leave any soap marks or anything like that, but it's spotless. The dryers actually did a pretty darn good job too. I mean, the top half of the van is very dry, just a little bit towards the bottom, but that's fine. It didn't leave any soap or anything like that to leave any marks. So So yeah, did a good job. Good job. Haven't been to a Petro Canada car wash, and geez, I can't even remember the last time. So anyways, hope you enjoyed this one. It's been a while. They've definitely updated the system. They're all now doing that, I just call it like the lava soaping that at the beginning. So yeah, did a good job. I would recommend this if you like soft cloth touch systems. And that's it. Anyways, if you enjoyed it, give it a like, comment down below, let me know what you think. And if you enjoy these washes, if you go to them regularly. And until then, I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.